Determine the circumference and area of this circle. The question has two parts, circumference and area. We'll start by focusing our attention on finding the circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. In our fractions chapter, we used the fraction approximation of pi, which is 22/7. Now that we're in the decimals chapter, we will use the decimal equivalent of the approximation to pi, which is 3.14. For this problem, our radius is 0.7. So we want to multiply these three numbers in order to find the circumference of the circle. We'll begin with 3.14 times 2. I'll come off to the side to do that, and I'll multiply 2 by the digits above. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And I will put in my decimal point. And now I want to multiply 6.28 times 0.7. I'll again do that vertically. Beginning with 7 times 8, which is 56. I'll write the 6 and carry the 5. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 5 is 19. I'll write the 9 and carry the 1. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 1 is 43. I move over a total of 3 decimal places in my answer, since 6.28 had 2 digits to the right of the decimal place and 0.7 had 1 digit to the right of the decimal place. So I find that the circumference is 4.396 feet. Now we'll move on to find the area of the circle. Area equals pi r squared. In this chapter, we'll use the decimal approximation of pi, which is 3.14. Our radius is 0.7, and squaring means to multiply it by itself. So I'll multiply 3.14 times 0.7 times 0.7. 7 times 7 is 49, but since each of these numbers had 1 digit to the right of the decimal point, my answer will have 2 digits to the right of the decimal point. Multiplying 0.7 times 0.7 gives 0.49. Now I'll multiply 3.14 times 0.49. I'll do that multiplication vertically. Beginning with 9 times 4, which is 36. Write the 6, carry the 3. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 3 is 12. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28. Write a 0 as a placeholder, then begin with 4 times 4, which is 16, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 4 times 3 is 12. Add these columns. Then count over 4 digits and put your decimal point there. Since each of the numbers I was multiplying had 2 digits to the right of the decimal point, my answer will have a total of 4 digits to the right of the decimal point. My area then is equal to 1.5386 square feet. Remember that area is measured in square units.